Okay guys, quick dream here. I wake up and went to the in the dream. Okay, I wake up and go to the dream to the my kitchen. Oh, I have something in my nose. So I went to the fridge and put the word sticker, the sticker in with the word bingo, because I received message from universe that their judge, I'd never have this one before. They say cook, judge, everything is finished. So I was like, really? I hear the noise before, but I was like, okay, whatever. I need to have this from source because I don't make decision from outside people. So I was like, really? Yes, they are judge. I never knew this. They are cook judge. Some cook judge means judge who paid to um, do things. Yeah. So everything is done. Now I'm waiting for the name of the judge. Yeah. So anyway, this is dream weird, and I went to the fridge. I put bingo, and we say come a line. And I was like, wow, what is this? And universe say judge, they are finished. I paraphrasing because paraphrasing phrase I wrote somewhere. So anyway, so it's a judge in my thing. Anyway, so have a nice what today is like October grass, I think. I have no idea. I'm not really a celebration person. Thank you so much, guys. Don't forget to follow me on X or subscribe for more if you want. Okay, thanks so much. Bye. And go to my website, uh, fanashtaro.com. You have everything there, the books, the music. Thanks so much for helping me. Bye.